In this briefing, we will take a three-step approach to pivot, adapt, and grow with changing market demands. The idea in here is to trigger a chain of transformation. So to do that, we will set the stage by exploring the growth environment. This will aid our understanding of the why. Why are we doing this now? Next, we will deep dive into how to embrace change and overcome the challenges to thrive in the industry. And in the final section, we will unlock growth opportunities that are intended to maximize your growth potential. Given that next generation sequencing, mass spectrometry, and liquid biopsy technologies are moving towards augmented deployment,
the trends that we are seeing nowadays, but also the challenges. So now let's go deeper into some opportunities. The first one, and I think this is something we all know, the evolution of software, but most specifically the software-driven automated liquid handling systems. Let's start in the beginning. I mean, historically, the significance of liquid handling to improve efficiency while saving some costs and drove the adoption of multi-channel and mechanical pipetting systems in labs, were in a way that it's really different nowadays. I mean, over the last 4 or 5 years, multiple acquisitions by some of the largest vendors in labs and in the lab ecosystem in general, Intel has sustained surplus for low volume automated liquid handling systems.
We desire to have this transformation which will make it decision factories, right? Laboratories as decision factories is a term that you used. And we're talking about insights as a service to power those decisions. So I think of it like an onion, and we want to just like peel some of the layers and talk about what exactly is the current state and what are the different layers of this system and how we can let's say as ourselves decide to partake in this growth transformation, if you will. So maybe we can just start with this aspect of 2 use cases that we talked about of sequencing workflows and liquid handling workflows, because we talked about genomics a little bit, we talked about liquid handling a little bit, and then we talked about total laboratory automation, which includes these 2 things as well. I believe the insights that we are expecting of this falls in the categories, as you pointed out, of precision in handling, reduction of human errors, providing reliable insights. And at that level, there is an aspect of trust, consistency, and things like that.
while the lab automation sector is poised for fast expansion and consolidation, varying throughput demands a skill gap in technology alongside high costs, downtime, maintenance, workflow efficiency, and space constraints represent the barriers to growth.
That software is the engine that transforms liquid handling in laboratories by integrating precision, compliance, and efficiency into a single automated solution. And while software has been a key to scaling automation in specific tasks like liquid handling, let's now take a broader step and explore how this transformation is expanding regionally. The future of labs promising a versatile landscape, stakeholders must or should reshape the role of total lab automation, forge into small and medium-sized labs, and adapt modular systems to new technologies quickly, safely, and also responsibly alongside humans.
The insights that you expect, how does it scale? How does it work remotely? How does it work in smaller scope? And how does it work in broader scope? These are just certain things to think about. Now, as we get down into the specific nuances of this, let's kind of take the liquid handling piece and zoom in. Let's say we want to get optimized pipetting protocols, right? We want to get AI adjusted speed of pipetting improving reproducibility by certain percentage points. Let's say we also want to, because we are using robots and we are using sensors, we want to know when those things break, why they break, before they break. We want to predictively maintain those systems, and we need to know when they go wrong. We need to be alerted of this.